Today, I'll show you how to sell an item on Steam, a popular platform for gamers and digital content. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting to explore the world of Steam, selling your in-game items can be a great way to earn a little extra cash to fund your next purchase or simply clear out your inventory. Let's dive into it. First things first, you need to open the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you download it from the official Steam website and log into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top menu header. You'll see your username there, which is your gateway to your personal inventory. Go ahead and hover your mouse over your username. A drop-down menu will appear. From these options, select Inventory. This will take you to your collection of items, including those from the games you own. Now, assuming you have an item you want to sell in your inventory, you'll notice that your inventory is organized by game. At the top of the inventory grid, there are tabs that allow you to switch between the different games you own. Click through these tabs to find the specific game that contains the item you wish to sell. Once you've located the right game tab, look through the items listed in your inventory to find the one you want to put up for sale. After you've found your desired item, click on it. This will open up the item's description block on the right side of your screen. Here you can see detailed information about the item, such as its rarity, market value, and other useful stats that might help you determine a fair selling price. Once you're ready to proceed, look for the Sell button in this description block and click on it. This action will start the process of listing your item for sale on the Steam marketplace. Next, you'll need to enter your target price. It's important to consider the current market trends for similar items to ensure you set a competitive price. You can browse the Steam marketplace to see what others are charging for similar items, which can give you a good idea of what to set your price at. Remember, Steam will take a small percentage of the sale as a transaction fee, so factor that into the price you choose. Once you've set your price, you're almost ready to complete the listing. But first, Steam requires you to agree to their terms of service regarding the sale of items on their platform. Make sure you read through these terms and understand them fully before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, check the box to agree to the terms. Finally, with everything set and agreed upon, you can go ahead and list the item. And there you have it. Your item is now up for sale on the Steam marketplace. Keep in mind that the time it takes for your item to sell can vary. It might sell quickly if it's in high demand, or it might take a little longer if the market is saturated. And that wraps up our guide on selling an item on Steam. With these steps, you can manage your virtual inventory efficiently and even make a little extra money on the side. Thanks for watching and happy selling.